how to use dependencies on Asana. And this about be really helping you about here to understand about something that it should be really determined by what is going on through what is going to be here on this situation that is about to be really determined by what is going on and how we can start to deal with that situation on the thing that it should be really to be satisfied with the progress through that, and about to open the task that needed to be dependent on another task, which is actually about something that it should be really defined by the more options for the three dots on the task line. Time, add dependency, which is actually to choose the task that is dependent on, and then the task will be linked. And okay, so all of these changes things that is about that is to click on that and then click on add dependencies, and then add your dependency that should be really right here, and that is all about to help you.